Hey, welcome everybody. Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, Canfield, Ohio. Coming to you today from Studio 3B, and we find ourselves in the workshop half of the studio. We're gonna build this cute little shaker style step stool. This one has a nice handle so you're not wobbly on it, you're nice and stable. Come along, let's go get this thing put together. All right guys, we need to go shopping for some wood, but before we do, I wanted to give you a glimpse of one of our recent projects, and it was this mudroom locker bench assembly. Visit contentstudio.bairdbrothers.com. You can see the build out on that. It was a great project. We had a lot of fun. But back to our shaker step stool today, we got to go buy some lumber. So let's go to the trim warehouse and see what we can come up with. So here we are out in the middle of the trim shop at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, and I'm shopping for some dimensional lumber today. Our project calls for about 6 feet of 1x12, whatever the species. Today we're shopping for red oak and a couple pieces of 1x3. I found a beautiful piece of red oak, 1x12, 3/4 thick, 11.5 net width, and then our 1x3, 3/4 by 2.5, and that's going to act as our little stretcher cleats on our step stool. We're going to load some stuff up. We're headed back to the workshop and make some sawdust. Okay folks, we're back at Studio 3B here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, and while we were shopping, I picked up some red oak. That's what we're going to do the project today with. I also picked up some poplar. You want to build this little shaker step stool and you want to paint it, poplar would be a great option. This beautiful cherry lumber, that can be accented strictly with a top coat of a urethane product, or it can be enhanced with some type of stain, then your urethane. Same goes for the red oak. Now these are only 3 of the many species we offer here at Baird Brothers. You can always jump on bairdbrothers.com and visit the website, go to dimensional lumber, and it will give you all of those options. We have a nice little paper template that you can print out. We've taken that, we've put it onto a piece of Baltic birch plywood we had laying around. It looks like we're going to be able to get this out of about 5 feet of 1x12 and just a couple feet of the 1x3. There's only 5 pieces to this project. So let's lay this out real quick. Okay guys, so this was cutting it out by hand with the aid of the miter box. We're going to go ahead and cut some rounded corners on the actual step or the seat. Then we're going to remove the saw curve from the jigsaw with an orbital sander. So not bad for just everyday hand tools, right? Hey Sam, what are you up to?
We're just laying out our pieces and getting ready for assembly.
Everybody, this is Sam, co-employee here at Baird Brothers. He can do anything front to back of that molding facility over there. Quite the craftsman, very talented individual, and it's nice to have 2 sets of hands and his expertise, knowledge. All right, so looking at it, what's next up? We got to go to the Craig jig over there and drill some holes?
Yep, I've got some basic layout lines here, and I've marked where I want to put some screws in, and just a matter of taking it to the jig and popping some holes.
Sammy, you drilled all the pocket holes. Now we're ready to soften these sharp edges. You brought a nice little palm router with you, and what size bit did you put in there?
I set that up with an 1/8" router bit with a ball bearing.
The last thing we want to do is start right in on one of our almost finished pieces and lay that router down and have a drop radius instead of just a soft radius, right?
Yep.
All right, go ahead, Sam.
Let's see if we did it right.
Yeah, see if we got her set right. I'm thinking that's good. You know, it definitely takes the sharpness away off of that product. So if you're picking it up, moving it, this and that, or if you brush your shin against it, it's not gonna tear you up. So that looks good, guy. See what you got. Okay, Sam, so everything that's going to be exposed to hands or little feet has had that corner rounded over on it. Our stretcher pieces, you did both of the bottom edges. So if you're picking that stool up, your hands aren't going to come in contact with the sharp edge, right?
Right.
We ready to start to see if all these pieces and parts fit?
Yeah, I think so.
And let's wrap this thing up, get it put together. Okay, Sam, so you got everything routed, pre-drilled for the Craig pocket hole assembly system. Are we going strictly with screws, or we're going to introduce some of that Franklin Type-On product too?
It definitely doesn't hurt to use a little glue.
Okay.
Just a little extra strength. The screws are pretty strong by themselves, but the glue helps as well.
So wait a minute, what are you doing with that little chunk of, what is that?
This is just a piece of wax. I'm not sure what kind of wax. It's probably just like candle wax. And all I do is just put a little on the screw. That helps lubricate it and help the not split out the wood.
Cool tip. And you're ready to go. All right, bud, have at it. What do you think?
I think he's ready for some finish.
All right, Sam, hey, nice little project. I gotta thank you, man. Thanks for coming out of the shop, spending a little time helping me put this thing together. You guys that do it every day make it look simple. I greatly appreciate it, and I look forward to having you back at Studio 3B. Visit contentstudio.bairdbrothers.com. Keep following us, Instagram, Facebook, the whole 9 yards. Thanks for joining us today. We look forward to next time.